Hello everybody and welcome to the Computer Science Department at Beacon Academy. In this video, I'd like to share with you a few of the reasons why you might think about choosing A-Level Computer Science at Beacon Academy. I'll also give you an overview of how the course is made up, and we'll hear from a few of the students in Year 12 and 13 as to why they chose the subject. So let's start then by thinking about reasons why you might choose A-Level Computer Science. The first of these is we achieved a great set of results last year. Our last year's Year 13 class, more than half of that group achieved A or A star grades, and all of the class achieved their target or better than their target grades in order that they can go on to study at university or to find employment. We are, of course, a small department, and it's likely that class sizes at A-level will remain quite small next year, and that can be quite nice in terms of class discussions and also to get the help that you need if you're learning programming or discussing computing issues. Clearly, as a course, it's going to provide you with up-to-date knowledge, but it's going to provide you with the attitudes and skills that are widely recognised by universities and employers. It's relevant to lots of careers ranging from sciences, engineering, the police force. There's so many jobs now where computers are at the heart of that role. And computer science is about providing you with the skills not just to use computers, but to be the person in that organization that's able to create programs and create the software that other employees might be using. You need to have a passion for the subject. Maybe you're someone that really loves solving problems and you really enjoy making your own programs. Maybe you're just mad keen to know how the technology in your phone or your PC, how it all works. You need to have some decent grades in English and maths at GCSE. Most likely you will already have GCSE computer science, but if that's not the case, then I would ask that you have a portfolio of your programming work. You need to show that you're really keen and interested in the subject. So let's take a look at an overview then of the course. I'll just move me over here. Okay, so if you're studying GCSE computer science, a lot of the topics on this little list here won't necessarily be new to you. And that's because the GCSE provides a great foundation for the A-level that tends to be clearly more detailed, more challenging. It ranges from you needing to know detail about how hardware works, the different kinds of computer processor. We look at how software gets made. We look at lots of legal and cultural, ethical issues of computing. But perhaps 50% of our time is in the problem solving, the programming side of things. Okay, so the 50-50 split there between the theory of computer science and the programming. Now you'll see over on the right hand side of the screen here how the course is assessed. Really, it'll be assessed for the most part with 2 papers at the end of year 13. So you'll sit a paper on computer systems worth 40% of the A-level, and you'll also apply your knowledge of programming and algorithms to achieve 40% in a second paper. There's also 20% of the course allocated to a programming project. And the idea of this is that you will have real clients, real customers that need you to create a program, some software that solves a real life problem. And you'll talk to them about what they need you to do. And you'll develop the program, you will test it, develop it, you'll evaluate it, and you'll record that process. And that real life problem solving gets you 20% of the course, of the mark overall. I'd now like to draw your attention to some of the comments by the Year 12 and Year 13 students who study the course at the moment.
Science because I wanted to expand my knowledge in something other than the other subjects I was doing, and I want the freedom of being able to create my own website and stuff like that and not having to rely on third-party services to do stuff like that. I think the thing I enjoy most about it is looking at problems in a different way than you normally would. So working out there's more than one way to solve a problem and trying to find the best way to solve different problems, which has helped me in my day-to-day life, not just computer science.
I enjoy computer science because we get a lot of freedom on what projects we choose, and I actually physically enjoy the theory behind it, how it all works. You don't really normally sit behind a computer and go, how's this working? And that's also why I want to do game design and game development in the future, and that's why I've chosen this subject, so I can go on to do it in uni. And I know I'm going to enjoy that for the rest of my life rather than any other subject in particular.
I've chosen computer science because it's my passion, and I really enjoy doing coding and learning about how a computer works. Coding is most of the course, which I'm glad about because I love coding and it's very interesting. For my future, I do need to do computer programming for A-level. I would like to be an AI coder. Computer science is very similar to GCSEs, however, it's more in-depth and complicated, and like I said, there's more computer programming.
Well, thank you for watching our video. If you'd like to know more about the course, the OCR website is a great place for finding out about it. Our recommended textbook is the image you can see on the screen there, the PG Online book by Heathcote. And if you'd like to know any more, please don't hesitate to contact me on my email address that's on the screen there.